Launching a digital empire requires choosing the right platform. And today, we're diving headfirst into the ultimate showdown: Shopify versus Stan Store. First up, let's talk features. Shopify, the established giant, offers a complete e-commerce solution, from physical products to digital downloads, robust inventory management, and advanced marketing tools. Think dropshipping, print-on-demand, or even selling your own handcrafted goods. Shopify handles it all, with a vast app store to customize your store beyond its already powerful features. Stan Store, on the other hand, is the rising star, laser-focused on creators selling digital products and services. It excels in link in bio functionality, making it perfect for monetizing your social media following with courses, ebooks, webinars, and coaching sessions. Now, let's crunch the numbers. Shopify's pricing starts with a basic plan, scaling up as your business grows. Stan Store offers a free plan with limited features, and paid plans unlock higher commission rates and advanced tools. The best option for you depends on your business needs and budget. To verdict, Shopify is the all-rounder, ideal for diverse product lines and scalability. Stan Store is the champion for digital creators seeking a streamlined, social media-centric platform. So, which platform will fuel your success? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce insights.